In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the 1-hour wait issue you might encounter with Linkvertise. If you've ever been stuck with this frustrating delay, don't worry. We've got you covered with a straightforward method to get you back on track without the wait. Let's dive right in and talk about clearing your browser's cookies and cache, a simple yet effective solution to this problem. First, let's get started by opening your browser settings. Whether you're using Chrome, Firefox, or any other browser, the way to access these settings is generally quite similar. Look for the menu icon, often represented by 3 dots or lines at the top right corner of your browser window. Click on this icon, and a drop-down menu should appear. From there, you want to select the Settings option, which will open up a new tab or window dedicated to various browser configurations. Once you're in the Settings menu, navigate to the section called Privacy and Security. This is a crucial area as it governs how your browser handles personal data and security features, ensuring your online experience is both safe and efficient. Within Privacy and Security, you'll see an option for clearing browsing data or clear browsing data depending on your browser. Select this option and you'll be presented with a dialog box that allows you to manage your browsing data specifically. Now here's where we need to be detailed. Within this dialog box, you're typically presented with several options of what can be cleared. For tackling the Linkvertise delay, focus on cookies and other site data, as well as cached images and files. These components store information about websites you've visited and your interactions with them. They're generally there to help, making pages load quicker and logging you back into sites automatically. However, they can sometimes cause unexpected issues like the one we're facing today. To proceed, ensure that the checkboxes next to cookies and other site data and cached images and files are selected. These are the specific elements we want to clear. Once you're ready, go ahead and confirm, usually by hitting a button that says Clear Data or Clear Browsing Data. Depending on how much browsing data you have, this might take a moment, so just be patient while your browser does the cleanup. After you've cleared the necessary data, it's important to close your browser completely. This means all tabs and windows should be shut down. Once everything's closed, restart your browser. This step is crucial because restarting ensures that the changes take effect properly. And there you have it. You should now try accessing Linkvertise again. This process helps reset your connection to the site, hopefully bypassing that pesky 1-hour delay. If done correctly, you should notice a smoother browsing experience. This method is a quick fix and can often be handy for similar website issues. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this tip resolved your Linkvertise issue. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful insights.